Welcome. I have a question for you. Do you go in the night on your bed with all the worries, stress of the throughout the day, whatever happened with you, and you're not able to sleep properly because your mind is overthinking and you are thinking about what has happened throughout the day or thinking about what you are going to do tomorrow? So you are only tossing on the bed but not able to sleep soundly. Am I right? If this is the case, you are at the right place, my friend. I have created a very powerful hypnotic mantra for night time. Yes, nighttime hypnotic mantra. My friend, this is a powerful mantra which I created. If you have not watched my previous video and what hypnotic mantra is, there is a link below. You can watch the whole mantra there. So I have created a hypnotic mantra, a nighttime mantra for you. Now this mantra is very, very powerful. Now what happens? Because it has been created a very powerful hypnotic words, and the hypnotic words has an effect on you immediately, because the words give you a picture in your mind, feeling in your mind and your body. You instantly feel differently. Plus it focuses you on what the problem is, not on what problem is, on the solution. Now these mantras are designed to put you in a relaxed, calm and peaceful state of mind, so that you can fall asleep easily and sleep deeply throughout the night. These mantras are an evening mantra, or you call it a nighttime mantra, which you need to practice before you go to sleep in the night. And your mind will be, the moment you practice this mantra 3 to 7 times, which will be explained to you later on, you will be able to sleep soundly and deeply and enjoy sweet dreaming. Because these mantras have an effect on your mind immediately, so that you feel wonderful. Now I am going to give you, I have created 16 hypnotic mantras for you to practice, and now I am going to give you one particular mantra which I want you to practice it today and tonight before you go to sleep. Now this mantra is to be repeated minimum 3 times. So my friend, if you are right now at home or in the night you are watching this video, you can practice it right now with your eyes closed. Just take a few deep breaths and relax, or you can just listen to it and repeat mentally in your mind. Now listen to this mantra now and practice right now. I am blessed and grateful for all I learned today. I am blessed and grateful for all I learned today. I am blessed and grateful for all I learned today. Now this is a simple mantra. Now what looks like very simple, but it is very, very powerful. Instead of focusing on all the negative things and whatever happened throughout the day, your mind is now focused upon the things you learned today, and you are blessed. And this is very powerful. So moment what happened, you practice this mantra, your mind move from your negative things and whatever happened to positive things, and the positive feelings start coming in your mind, and you sleep soundly and deeply. So my friend, I have created 16 mantras like this, and each mantra and 15 mantras, and I am conducting a WhatsApp course starting on 2nd of April. So you get these lessons and mantras on your WhatsApp mobile. Now you'll be explained how to use these mantras. Then there will be a mantra will be given, you will recite with me, and then I'll create a powerful loop with a very soothing, relaxing music in a loop of around 25 to 30 minutes. So my friend, in this workshop is starting on 2nd of April. You are going to get, it is for 1 week, you are going to get 16 nighttime mantras, hypnotic nighttime mantras to practice. Now you will be explained, I will be explaining you the power of each mantra, how to practice this mantra and what effects you are going to have. And then you will repeat the mantra with me 3 times or 7 times depending on the mantra. Then I will create a powerful music loop for you for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, and it will have a very soothing music in the background, so that You can just play it in the night before you go to sleep. The mantra will be going into your subconscious mind and get programmed so that you sleep soundly and deeply, wake up refreshed, recharged, full of in the morning. Plus, I'm going to get an image which you can place it and keep it in your pocket, take a printout and use it. And after the 7th day, the last day, I'll create another bonus powerful audio file for you where I will put all these 16 mantras which you have learned in the 7 days in one loop. So after the 7th day you can play all the mantras in the background when you go to sleep on your mobile, on your laptop with a very powerful music. So my friend, if you have a problem with sleeping in the night, you have a problem taking all the day-to-day thing and you're pretty stressful, if you want to sleep soundly and deeply, this course is for you. So call on the number or register on the link below and join right now, and I'll see you on 2nd of April 2021. So thank you very much and all the best.